Hello class, this is Team 8, MIS 535, Keller Graduate School of Management, November 2017, by Alexis Washington, Latrice Whitfield, Calvert Williams, Maria Maganik, and Samuel Zook. Does big data bring big rewards? Big data doesn't refer to any specific quantity, but usually refers to data in the petabyte and exabyte range, in other words, billions to trillions of records from many different sources. Big data is produced in much larger quantities and much more rapidly than traditional data, and its purpose is to enable firms to make better strategic business decisions. Big data provides businesses a variety of information in many formats like text, video, images, and audio, and they should be able to arrange and store that data in many formats. Big data has been benefiting many companies of various sizes, and big data analysis has allowed companies to connect with their customers and gain information that was once unknown to them in order to become more profitable. Companies like Coca-Cola have used big data analytics to achieve great wins with their operations and products, such as selecting the ideal ingredient mix to create juice products and create efficiencies in their warehouse, restaurants, retail supply chain operations. And Coca-Cola has gathered new information from big data regarding their clients, suppliers, their media assets, and more, while making sure this information can be located and used when needed. Netflix is another major company that has benefited from big data analysis. Netflix, once a small organization, that has utilized big data to improve customer experience. Netflix can now obtain information about the devices its clients are watching, determine trends, and know whether viewers watch portions of a movie or a single season of a series. These capabilities have allowed Netflix to use big data to retain subscribers, secure advertising revenues, and understand the demographics and opinions from social sites operations. Big data use can generate some concerns and risks for businesses. The most common and pressing issue is privacy concerns. Since there is an increase in the amount of data being collected, there is also an increase in the retention length of information. The data might provide information that consumers may not want anyone to know, or even information of which they are not aware of themselves. Privacy's basic principle is that people like to control what other people do and do not know about them. Big data also creates concerns for smaller businesses in addition to traditional sources of information. Another activity which should be routinely performed is data scrubbing. Redundant, incorrect, or incomplete data should be detected and corrected. This serves not only to eliminate errors, but also provide consistency among different sets of data that originated from separate information systems. Green Mountain Coffee used big data to gain insight into customer behavior and buying patterns, while also honing in on opportunities to address customer concerns and make product improvements. AutoZone uses big data to adjust inventory and product prices nationwide, and companies like Nike have found ways for big data to be used by analyzing health and wellness information and comparing that information to others. Big data can be helpful to businesses and can suffer if big data is used incorrectly. Sears, for example, invested in information technology to make targeted promotions, but still saw a decline in sales over time, as their own systems were not capable of handling the vast amount of data that were available to the company. Big data has helped organizations harness their information and identify opportunities. Big data technology brings about cost advantages that affect a business's bottom line and allow a business to make faster decisions. This ability has given organizations a competitive edge in their markets and industries.